Welcome to SkillFast, everyone. Today, we're diving into the Cloud Security Certification, specifically the Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Security Engineer exam. This certification is a top choice for anyone looking to become a certified cloud security professional or step into the role of a cloud security engineer. In this video, we'll cover what this certification is and why it matters, the skills and tools you'll learn, and a full step-by-step study plan. We'll also discuss common mistakes to avoid and how this cert can boost your cybersecurity career. Whether you're just starting out or already in IT, this video is your beginner-friendly roadmap to mastering cloud security. Let's dive in. A cloud security engineer is like a digital locksmith, protecting cloud platforms like Google Cloud from cyber attacks and data leaks. They design secure architectures, manage access, and encrypt sensitive data. Monitoring for threats and responding quickly is key to their role. Think of them as the ultimate security expert for your cloud infrastructure. If you're aiming to become a certified cloud security professional, this is the job to target. Businesses are actively seeking skilled professionals in cloud security, so get those certifications. Let's dive into the 5 key domains of Google's cloud security certification. First up, configuring access and identity. Learn to manage users, groups, service accounts, and permissions using IAM. Design secure access with least privilege principles. Next, network security. Configure firewall rules, private Google access, VPNs, and VPC service controls. Protect traffic and control network paths inside the cloud. Then, data protection. Apply encryption at rest and in transit using CMEIC and KMS. Use tools like Cloud DLP to prevent data exposure. Moving on to operations and monitoring. Use cloud logging, monitoring, and the Security Command Center. Detect, investigate, and respond to real-time security threats. Finally, compliance and risk management. Understand how to meet regulatory standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO. Set security policies and ensure audit readiness. All these areas help you prove that you're not just certified. You're a job-ready, certified cloud security professional who knows how to protect systems at scale. Now, let's build your roadmap to success. Here's how to prepare for this cloud security certification step by step. Step 1. Understand the exam format. You'll face 50 to 60 multiple-choice questions in 2 hours, online or in person. No formal prerequisites, but 6 months of hands-on GCP experience is recommended. Step 2. Follow Google's learning path. Head to cloud.google.com/learn and find the security engineer path with videos, docs, and interactive labs. Step 3. Get hands-on practice. Sign up for Quick Labs or Skill Boost Labs to create IAM roles. Step 4. Join study groups on Reddit, Discord, or LinkedIn. Share resources, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. Step 5. Take practice exams on Certs Hero, Udemy, or Certs Hope. Focus on scenario-based questions, as the real exam is very practical. Pro tip: spend 2 to 4 weeks studying consistently and don't skip the labs. Let's talk about why this cloud security certification is worth it. Becoming a certified cloud security professional opens doors to roles like cloud security engineer, GCP security architect, security analyst, DevSecOps engineer, cloud compliance officer. With this certification, you can earn between $110,000 to $160,000 plus annually, depending on your experience and region. You'll master essential tools like Identity and Access Management, IAM, VPC service controls, Security Command Center, Cloud KMS, and DLP, logging and monitoring tools. This isn't just a resume booster, it's a real-world skills upgrade that can transform your career. Let's quickly go over a few mistakes you should avoid while preparing for your Certified Cloud Security Professional exam. Mistake number 1. Skipping hands-on labs. Reading alone won't prepare you. This exam tests real-world scenarios. Mistake number 2. Underestimating IAM and networking. These topics are core to every domain. Master them early. Mistake number 3. Studying last minute. Give yourself 3-4 weeks even if you have experience. Focus on small, consistent study sessions. let's wrap it up. In this video, you learned what a cloud security engineer does, what's inside the Google Cloud Security certification, and how to prepare step by step. We also covered the tools and job roles that come with being a certified cloud security professional, plus the mistakes to avoid. If you're serious about a future in cloud security, this certification is one of the smartest moves you can make. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. I'll reply personally. Don't forget to subscribe for more simplified certification guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck becoming a certified cloud security professional.